the day we said goodbye to you. Today I'll wipe my tears, put away my suit. You left a hole, I won't feel it though, cause I guess it's nice to know that grief is love with no place to go. So I've been going out more, I've been seeing friends on the weekend, saying yes more. Don't need to pretend to hide my feelings, I've been crying more.